up, everybody? It's James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going back to more of our old style of video. I've done a series on how to pick out your outfit, and I used to do one on how to tie a tie. I'm going to kind of put a little bit of that together with a review as well as how I put an outfit together. Today we're starting with a very classic tie. This is one, I haven't done a video on this yet. It's one of my, it's an older tie actually. It's a Gucci, but it's a very traditional style. Traditional to me is just your standard diagonal stripes or striped ties. There's a few other different ties, but just has a traditional look. This is a super soft tie. It is an older Gucci tie. I've had this for a while, whereas my newer Gucci ties have a little bit more of a rigid feel. This thing is just super soft, like butter soft. It feels almost Ferragamo to the touch, but it's a lot softer than a Ferragamo as far as the way, just the way it's malleable and everything else. So typically with a tie this soft, your knots are a little bit harder to get crisp, and we're going to try that here in just a minute. But this tie hasn't been tied probably for a couple of years or so. We're going to go through it in just a second. But as far as the outfit, as far as the review goes, Gucci's older products, in my personal opinion, were a little bit better quality than their newer products. No offense towards Gucci, but there's just a lot of craftsmanship and, like I said, softness and subtle differences in this. The new stuff is still really high quality. I like my Gucci ties, but they just have more. They just have a little bit more of a manufactured feel, in my personal opinion. But still a great product. I'm not putting Gucci down anyway. Got some of their shoes or ties. Absolutely love their products. Good stuff. A lot of their watches too. But this particular tie just has a little bit better feel, in my opinion, than the newer Gucci ties. As far as the outfit, the way I picked this outfit out, this tie is a blue and red stripes tie. So we could go with a lot of different shirt combinations. I decided to go with this Canali shirt that's light blue with white striping in it. And a lot of people won't put stripes like this, like vertical stripes with diagonal stripes. I'm doing it because of the contrast that creates. I think this is going to look really good together. But I could have went with, a solid blue. You go with a white. You can even go with a dark blue with a lighter suit. So I try to make sure that I'm not going like dark tie, dark shirt, dark suit. I try to have some contrast there, unless I'm attending something like a funeral or a more somber occasion where I may do, darker all the way down. But typically I like some sort of a pop. So we're pairing that with a navy suit, a very dark blue suit. So you can see how that blue pulls out of that suit, but the lighter shirt gives us the contrast, okay? So that's pretty much it as far as how I picked the outfit. Let's tie this tie up and see how it comes together. Going to find our spot first, and because this tie is going to be pretty malleable, we got to be careful with our spots. Probably going to be right around here. Let's tie this baby up. We come over top, back in behind. I'm not doing a full-on tutorial, just a partial tutorial. Then back around behind, up and over. I have actual tutorial videos where I go really slow and show you everything. Got our checkpoint, then we come out over the front, back in behind. Then we'll come down through the little pocket we created. And now we're going to just tidy everything up here. We want to tighten that knot up, bring it up to our neck and see our length. We want the tip of the tie, this part here, to be somewhere between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. So let's see where we're at right now. We are just past top. I don't like it there because as the belt comes down, you got a big gap. So let me see if this knot will tighten up a little bit more. If we tighten the knot up, then we get a little bit more space. Look at that. Perfect. We're halfway down. Okay, let's bring this color down. Let's put the outfit together. And we'll go through the outfit with you real quick as well, like we used to do in our old series. Just tidy this up a little bit. Looks beautiful. It's had a really nice knot. It's got a super soft feel. I'm actually loving this tie. Forgot how nice it was. So today we're wearing a navy blue Hermes Zegna suit. So navy blue Zegna suit. We're wearing a light blue Canali shirt that has white vertical stripes. We're wearing a red and blue Gucci tie. We're pairing that with a dark brown Salvatore Ferragamo Belt with a gold belt buckle and a dark brown pair of Bally Oxfords. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the tie, the suit, the shirt, all the labels, the shoes. You also see selfies of me wearing the tie, wearing the whole outfit and everything else. We have a lot of fun with our Instagram. Check it out. We've got over 17,000 followers right now. So if you want to join that, I try to put out fresh content. I was doing 4 to 5 days a week. My schedule's changed, so it's 2 to 3 days a week right now because I'm working from home a lot, so I'm not in front of clients as much as I used to be. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the outfit. I hope you enjoyed the video, but I am ready for work.